Speak fast and clear! Stop making this English mistake. Most beginners do it every single day, without even knowing. But don't worry. Today, you will learn how to speak English fast with simple, real spoken English for beginners. And listen, if you follow these tips daily, your English will change in just 7 days. This lesson gives you daily English sentences, simple English speaking practice, natural speaking examples, quick fluency tips to help you speak English faster. I teach only simple, real, daily spoken English, not textbook English. Tip 1. Use short sentences. Short sentences help you speak English fast and clearly. Wrong. I am not understanding this. Right. I don't understand this. Repeat after me. I don't understand this. One more time, smoothly. Now a little faster. Tip 2. Use daily natural phrases. These make your English sound real and fluent. Examples. Give me a minute. Hold on. Wait a second. Just a moment. Choose one and repeat it right now. Most beginners avoid real speaking practice. That's why they stay stuck. Good job. Tip 3. Use a confident tone. Your voice shows confidence before your words do. Say this, yes, I can do it. Again, with energy. One more time, like you truly believe it. Confidence is not grammar, it's your voice. If you're learning with me right now, hit like and comment, I am learning English. Tip 4. Speak slowly when unsure. Slow speaking equals clear speaking. Example, let me think. Say it now. Slow is smooth. Smooth becomes fast. Bonus tip. Think in English, not your language. This is the real secret to fluency. Examples. I'm eating. I'm walking. I'm working. Say one sentence in your mind now. This one habit can double your fluency speed. Quick recap. Short sentences, daily natural phrases, confident tone, slow speaking, think in English. If you do these daily, your spoken English will transform fast. Subscribe for daily English speaking lessons. Turn on the bell icon and don't miss tomorrow's video. It will help you speak English even faster. Watch this next video. Your English will level up instantly. Thank you.